Okay, the first song we're going to sing, we are originally from Zimbabwe, so, oh, I love that. So the first song we're going to sing, it is the voice of the divine, reminding each and every one of us that we are forever guided. So you will hear us say, Tungamira, Tungamira. That's the voice saying, I'll guide you, I'll guide you. And then we get to a part where it says, be still, for I am forever guiding you. So just a reminder to each and every one of us that we are forever being guided.
Usacheme nekuti inindine wendichakutungamira. Usacheme nekuti inindine wendichakutungamira. Tungamira, tungamira, nichakutungamira. Kutungamira, nyararisa nekuti inindine wendichakutungamira. Tungamira, tungamira, nichakutungamira. Tungamira, tungamira, nichakutungamira. Chinyarara nekuti inindine wendichakutungamira. Chinyarara nekuti inindine wendichakutungamira. Tungamira, tungamira, nichakutungamira. Kutungamira. Light, peace, and love. 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 Light, peace, and love.
You gave us light.
You gave us light.
Divine light. You gave us light again. Divine light. You gave us light. Divine light. You gave us light again. Divine light.
Without your light, we are nothing.
You gave us peace. Divine peace. You gave us peace again. Divine peace. You gave us peace.
You gave us peace.
Divine peace. You gave us peace again. Divine peace.
Without your peace, we are nothing.
You gave us love. Divine love. You gave us love again. Divine love. You gave us love. Divine love. You gave us love. again. Divine love.
Without your love, we are nothing.
I'm choosing light.
Choosing light.
Divine light.
Divine light.
I'm choosing light again. Divine light.
Without your light, we are nothing.
I'm choosing peace.
Choosing peace.
Divine peace.
Divine peace.
I'm choosing peace again. Divine peace.
Without your peace, we are nothing.
I'm choosing love.
Choosing love.
Divine love.